Hello, what is up YouTube? In this tutorial we're going to talk about how to remove footer credits from your Weebly website for free. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I really support the idea of having footer credits in any free platform. However, this looks so annoying that it just jumped like that, just like a CTA. So we need to find a solution to get rid of it. So just simply log into your Weebly account and hit edit website. And once it loads up, navigate to settings. And on the left side, click SEO. And if you just scroll down, here is the footer code section. Simply paste the script. I will be dropping down in the description for you guys to copy, and what this script does is simply call the function to remove the footer sign up container from the theme code, and simply hit save option and just publish to make the changes. So let's simply click the SMM agency link, and yeah, it is not there anymore. So that's it guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up icon and also do subscribe for future videos. Till then, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.